If you're a small business owner that serves local customers, then you need to know the definition of local SEO, which is simply SEO in a specific geographic area. But what's the purpose of local SEO? Well, my friends, it's to rank higher on Google for specific keywords in your specific geographic area. Okay, great, Sam, but how do I do that? Well, before we can talk about that, we have to talk about what's actually important for local SEO. Let's keep this one quick, people. Let's jump right into a search engine result page, which is that page that shows up when you search something on Google. So right now I searched SEO Bend, Oregon. Now I want to be honest with you here. Here's this map pack that shows up first. Do you see Then Can Designs, my lean and mean SEO agency right here? I do not, which is disappointing. We need to get up there. Notice the first thing that typically shows up in local search results is the map pack. The map pack is tied to your Google business profile. The back end of your Google business profile looks like this, and we have plenty of other videos on this channel where we talk about how to dial in your Google business profile. But remember, the map pack is the first thing to show up, so we want to do our best to show up in there as much as we can. Now, after the map pack, we're typically going to get the organic results. Now, in this case, we have this giant people also ask section, but really we're starting to see local results. So we have Then Can Designs right there. Hey, number one, we like to see that. Number two, we have this company, and then number three, we have this company, and so on and so forth. It's generally actually companies. Now, one thing you might see in your industry are these things called listicles or best ofs. Best blanks in blank. Top 10 contractors in Fort Collins, Colorado, whatever, right? They seem to be clogging up the SERPs, search engine result pages, lately. I tend to focus on the actual competition when I'm kind of going down the list and counting. So even though one of my clients that's a general contractor might be showing up, say, 20th, if there's only 8 competitors above them, I'm thinking in my head, okay, we have 9 people to go, or I guess 8 people to go. You get the point. So if you're keeping track at this point, because the map pack is first, you might be thinking, well, the Google business profile has to be the most important for local SEO, right? And I typically agree, yes, you want to make sure that's dialed in. And the organic results are showing up just below the map pack, so we definitely want to focus on our website right here, because that's what's showing up in blue link land, right, Sam? And again, you are correct. I would say the website is the second most important thing. The third most important thing, though, is a little tricky, and I kind of don't like putting it in the SEO Basics series. By the way, this video is part of Small Biz SEO Basics. Be sure to check out the other videos. I'm sure the playlist will be showing up somewhere at some point, maybe below in the description. And so the last one is building authority. Now, I don't want to dig too much into this, but let's just say if you could get a website that's in your area to have a link that points to your website, then that is what's considered a backlink. I recently did a talk for the Redmond Chamber of Commerce here in Oregon, and if right here, let's say maybe right here, if they would have put a link on Then Can Designs, you know what a link looks like on a website, that would be a backlink to my website. And it'd be a really good one because it'd be locally relevant. Redmond is the town right next to Bend, so it's showing that it's from Central Oregon. That would be like the coup de grace, the chef's kiss backlink that you can get. Now, there's also a lot of really bad information on the internet about backlinks, like that you need as many as possible. That's not the case. By the way, I have other videos that are more advanced to talk about backlinks. Let's not get into that here. But let's review the 3 most important things for local SEO, which are your Google business profile, because that's what's linked up to the map pack, and that's the first thing that shows up. Then it's your website, because those are the little blue links below, and then building authority through locally relevant links. And the reason why that's important is because that's what actually gets you to rise the ranks. And so be sure to check out this next video in the Small Biz SEO Basics series so that we can learn a little bit more about SEO and help out your own business's SEO efforts. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss when new videos come out. Hit that like button because you found it super helpful, right? And whether you did or whether you didn't, leave a comment below and let me know what are you trying to rank for, and let's see if we can get you to rank a little bit higher. And in the meantime, let's check out that next video. I'll catch you in that one.